In this video, I will be showing you how to add Clyde bot on Discord. So I'm just gonna open my Discord in my browser using my phone. So in here, just open up your server and then click the arrow down and then select server settings. So in here under the apps, just tap on integrations and then you will now see here the Clyde bot, but I don't have that one. If you have that feature in your phone, just go ahead and enable that one. So I will be showing you the example. So as you can see here, the example, you just have to enable the Clyde bot. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.